Alrighty, well, hi there. We actually just hit 1,000 subscribers the other day, so we figured like a little reintroduction was necessary. So I'm Kristen,
And I'm Garrett.
and then we live in this RV right behind us. We moved into this RV with literally zero knowledge of RVing, zero knowledge of like buying a trailer, zero knowledge of how to do quite literally any of this. So we turned to YouTube to like kind of learn how to do all that stuff, and we're like, why not share our own little journey that way to maybe encourage other people to get outside too? So we started sharing our videos, and you guys just started coming around, and we noticed every subscriber we get, and we just get so excited, and we've loved getting to know you guys. And it's just honestly been super cool.
Yeah, it's been really awesome to see everybody and hear what you guys have to say in the comments, like little tips and tricks.
Oh
And
yeah, we've been using your tips that you've been giving us, so we are listening and we are paying attention.
Mhm.
So our RV is a 2015 Northwood Nash travel trailer. It's a 24M, so it's like 24 feet long, but perfect size for us and our two cats. We did a remodel when we first bought it, but we're in the process of like remodeling it again. We'll definitely film a trailer tour once we actually like remodel it and make it look like what we like, but we will go show you the cats because I know that's what everyone's always here for.
Okay, so this is Dwight. He's 13 years old. He's a really good boy. We've had him since he was a little tiny kitten. So,
Oh, no sound came out, babe.
Some came out.
Oh, there he
go.
goes. Alrighty, and then this little gray guy is Nico. He is a little under 3 years old, and we adopted him as a little baby. And he's honestly a sweetheart. He's a little more timid than his brother, so he's not like quite as social. And you'll see Dwight probably on camera a lot more because he wants to be on camera all the time. Nico likes it, but he's trying his best. He's a little camera shy, but maybe with your guys' encouragement, we can get Nico on camera more often.
But anyway, thank you guys so much for subscribing and being here.
Honestly, like it means so much to us, and the fact that we hit 1,000 feels crazy. Like
Yeah.
we were like, oh my goodness, and we were so excited. So we're like, we just want to make this quick little video to just say like, thank you for being here. It's been so fun to connect with you guys, and we just love and appreciate you, and we cannot wait to keep sharing our little RV journey and our cats on the road and just all of it. Honestly, the good and the bad.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
But yeah, we're gonna have another video up on Wednesday. I think Wednesdays are our posting day, but this is just a little bonus just to say thank you guys for being here.